Okay, so this is Hair One More Loose Deep Wave in 22 inches. This is how the hair looks out the pack. I didn't do anything to it other than what you'll see when I'm getting ready to put on the wig. I just plucked a little bit of the frontal. This is their 13 by 4 unit, frontal unit, and this is how it looks. These curls are everything. I usually get these when I do like wand curls to wigs, so to get these beautiful wand thick curls is crazy. Okay, out the pack. I've never had hair look like this out the pack. So customer service wise, they were great with customer service. The shipping was super fast. I believe it took about 3-4 days for the hair to come in the mail. It didn't take me that long to pluck, what you'll see in the video. And I use the airbrush legs by Sally Hansen to go ahead and do some tinting to the frontal itself, to the lace. I didn't cut or anything, so after this you'll see me styling the wig. Without further ado, let me go ahead and get to the styling of this video. I definitely rate this wig a 10 because it was really easy to style. It's really pretty. I love the length. I love the length, y'all. This is really cute. So, and it was easy. I think I did this in under 10 minutes. So make sure you stay tuned to the rest of this video if you want to see how I styled it. And I'll go ahead and leave the deets to this hair in the description box if you want to purchase the hair. Alright guys, so what I'm doing now is I'm going to be plucking. I don't really pluck my wigs too much, but this one I'm going to pluck because I found it a little thick around the hairline. So I'm just going to pluck for about 5 minutes on each side just so it can look really transparent when I get ready to lay the lace on my head. So once I finish that, I'm just going to turn the wig over so I can get ready to spray my airbrush legs by Sally Hansen. This is how I'm tinting my wig now. And next, I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond glue. I find this glue to be the best glue. I've worn this in Jamaica in water and my wig has stayed on. I'm not going to put that much, just one coat, because I kind of already have glue on my hairline from the previous install. Okay, and the next thing I'm just going to be doing is taking the wig and laying it carefully along the glue. So I want to make sure that it lays directly on top so that it stays. And you can actually just let it sit. You can wrap a scarf around it, or you can just take the dryer and blow dry it. I actually just blow dried it after I laid this on. Alright guys, so the next step, you already see I have the scarf on to make sure that the lace lays as flat as possible. So I'm going to take my hot comb and I'm just going to hot comb where I have my parting because I want to make sure that it lays flat and that it looks as natural as possible. Alright y'all, so next is baby hair time. So I'm not going to do a lot of baby hair on this wig. I'm just going to take a little bit of hair and use that as my baby hair. I'm going to be using my Got To Be glue in the black bottle to lay this down. So y'all know how to do it. You just take out some hair and cut it, and then you are going to lay it with the Got To Be glue. Now once I do that, that's about it. You can add some foundation in if you want to, but that's it. Your girl has laid the wig, and just some of the mistakes that I made, I'm just going to take my eyeliner and I'm going to just